India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has said that unless there is peace and tranquility on the border, there is no scope of normalization of relations with China. He was interacting with a select gathering in New York at Asia Society Policy Institute. During the interaction, while he elaborated with India's overall relations with the world, he specifically mentioned that bloody clash at border amidst COVID pandemic itself has overshadowed the relationship, and after a series of negotiations, only 75% of disengagement has taken place.
Until we are able to restore peace and tranquility on the border and ensure that the agreements which we have signed up to are adhered, it's obviously difficult to carry on with the rest of the relationship. So what has been the focus for the last 4 years is to, in the first instance, at least disengage the troops, which means that they go back to the camp, to the military bases from which they traditionally operate, because right now both sides have troops who are deployed forward. And when I said 75% of it has been sorted out, I was asked in a way to quantify it, to give a sense. It's only of the disengagement.
India's External Affairs Minister also said that both countries need to take care of the protocol of border patrols. That is not tricky part and part of daily routine that needs attention.
And the main issue right now is the patrolling. How do we, both of us, I would say, patrol up to the line of actual control. And right now the patrolling arrangements after 2020 have been disturbed. So we've been able to sort out much of the disengagement, the friction points, but some of the patrolling issues need to be resolved. But once we deal with the disengagement, there is the larger issue, which is both of us have brought very large number of troops up to the border. So there is what we call the de-escalation.